Days 4 and 5 of the Alliance Duels are relatively easy to score if we plan and prepare items beforehand. Welcome back to Meta Instincts. In this video, we will discuss our plan for Days 4 and 5, which involves similar tasks that we must tackle together. Day 4. Consuming gears, titanium alloy, and designed blueprints can earn decent points on Days 4 and 5. However, we recommend spending these items on Day 4. Although we have over 500 alloys, we can't utilize all of them due to the limitations on vehicle parts upgrades. Therefore, we must determine the maximum number of items we can spend. Based on our current level, we can allocate 25,000 gears, 260 alloys, and 130 blueprints for these parts. Please note that the precision part is only available from a level 30 shelter onwards. If you haven't reached level 30 yet, let's skip it. Next, we can use construction, research, and training speedups to earn points on both days. However, we should treat these as backup options since they do not provide extra points from CP increments or troop upgrades. It is more beneficial to use speedups on Days 1 and 3. Completing radar events, killing zombies, and launching boomer rallies can generate points. These tasks don't directly consume items but require time and effort. Launching 200 rallies on level 14 boomers can earn you over 2 million points, given that you have enough time. If we're short on time, we can reduce the rallies to 100, requiring 2,000 energies. Make sure to have sufficient spare energy for this. Furthermore, we can save some radar events from Day 3 and stack them up to complete on Day 4 for additional points. Let's say we have finished 44 radar events, 20 of which involved killing zombies. This should be enough to meet the goals for Day 4. If you are short of time regarding the boomer rallies, you can reduce the number of rallies and cover the points with speedups or precision parts instead. So, let's plan accordingly. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Day 5. All tasks on Day 5 are repetitive. Completing the day's goals can be challenging if you haven't planned your items since Day 1. The precision task is a good option but requires a level 30 shelter. We will skip the gear, titanium alloy, and design blueprints, saving them for the next Day 4 duel. The power core is the first item we can utilize for Day 5. We have 100 power cores, which we can spend to earn over 370,000 points. Next, we will skip all fragment tasks because we need them desperately on Day 2 instead. The wisdom medal will be the primary item for earning points on Day 5. You will acquire up to 14,550 wisdom medals if you complete 6 days of duels. After finishing the duel research, you can earn double rewards, totaling 29,100 wisdom medals weekly. By spending 29,000 wisdom medals and using 7 days of research speedups, we can reach our goal on Day 5. Consider spending more speedups if you only have 15,000 wisdom medals. Additionally, it's crucial to plan Days 4 and 5 together. If you anticipate that you can't score high enough on Day 5, you can spend more time on boomer rallies on Day 4. Then, allocate some gear, titanium alloy, and designed blueprints to Day 5. Alright, it is the end of today's sharing. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.